We are making suya today. This is the suya we're gonna be making. This is beef, and this is suya pepper. This is paprika, smoked paprika. These are three type of ingredients inside here. We have garlic, ginger, and herbs. So this is salt. Watch out how I am going to transform this beef to suya. Is a Nigerian delicacy that almost everybody in Nigeria eat this suya. So if you are new here on my channel, you are very welcome, and all my returning subscribers, God bless you all, and please continue to share this video and also like this video. So watch out how I am going to start cooking this suya. First, we're just gonna slice up this suya, so watch out. So right now we just have to slice up this suya. You need to be very thin when you are slicing it. Just have to make it tinier so that you can sew it on the wood. So the beef is already sliced, and these are the sticks we're going to be using. These are all the sticks, the long one and the short one. So we prepared them already, and right away we're just going to add this ground ginger, turmeric, and herbs, and we're going to add smoked paprika. We're going to add salt. Not too much salt, because the suya pepper already have salt and everything that we really need on this. Just going to marinate everything together. Done. So right now we just start to sew them. Very easy to sew. This is how you sew it. You want to use a longer one, same way. So I already sewed them to the stick. Right now we're just gonna start marinating it with the suya pepper before we can place them in the parchment paper and place them to the oven to cook. So right now Just gonna press all this suya pepper, quantity of it. All the suya pepper to stay on the suya. Just gonna put more. So this is it. So right now I'm just gonna place them on parchment paper. That's when we'll start the cooking. So these are the parchment paper. I already put them on the tray, and these are the suya. So right away I'm just going to start placing these suyas on the paper. Suya. You don't need to go to suya spot. Just call me and I will deliver suya to your home. These are all suya. This is it. And right now I'm just gonna place them in the oven, 360 degrees for 15 minutes. Just gonna drizzle some oil to it. You know, you need some oil so that it don't dry out. If you like, you don't really need to put oil, because all these are all flesh. There was no oil meat around the meat, so that's why I'm drizzling some oil so that it don't dry out. So the suya is already well cooked, so it's out of the oven. Right now I'm just gonna serve it. These are the suya. So right now I'm just gonna have some of this suya pepper to eat, so we can start the eating. This is one of the best suya you can ever eat. It's so delicious that you don't need to go to suya spot. Oh my god, can you see this? Just have some more suya pepper. So this is it. Just gonna take it out. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video also. Thank you now. Bye for now, and see you with another great recipe.